Hello everyone, welcome back to Tixtions. In today's video, I will show you how to fix an iPhone alarm with no sound on iOS 27. So let's get started. First, check your alarm volume, open the setting app, and here scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. Here again scroll down and to alarms and timers. If much ringtone volume is turned on, simply turn it off. Now move to alarms and timers volume slider all the way up. And next check your alarm sound. Now open the clock app. Here select your alarm and tap on sound. Make sure it is not set to none. Then choose a ringtone. And next again open your setting. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Here just find and turn attention aware features off. Also disconnect any Bluetooth devices like earbuds or Bluetooth speaker before going to bed. And if the problem continues, delete the alarm and start your iPhone and create a new alarm. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechJams for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.